Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Opera GX and confirming the browser is up to date. This prevents compatibility issues with live backgrounds. Next, locate a short MP4 or WebM clip in 16, 9, or 21:9. Smaller files load faster and use less GPU. Now open Settings, choose Appearance, then click Browser Wallpaper to access the Wallpaper Manager. Once there, you're ready to add a custom file instead of a theme. This is the first actionable step that swaps static images for a live loop. You'll now import and configure the video. Click Add Your Wallpaper and select the MP4/WebM from your drive. Opera GX prefers encoded H, 264/H, 265 for smooth playback. After adding, mute the clip and enable loop so it doesn't play audio or stop unexpectedly, and pick high or medium quality based on your GPU. If animation stutters, enable hardware acceleration in settings or lower quality. This reduces CPU load. Make sure the file duration is short. Finish by checking the wallpaper is active and aesthetically balanced with sidebar colors. You might need to close and reopen Opera GX to see the final result. If the wallpaper appears black or won't play, re-encode the video to 30 fps H, 264 at 1080p, and try again because unsupported codecs cause blank screens. If problems continue, disable extensions or reset appearance settings to rule out conflicts. This single troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn playback or display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.